sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit a...
Yo, it's your boy B Smooth. We back in here. Talk to me. Alright, fam, do what we're gonna do for the day. My partner dropped off his I think it's like a 86 Caprice, 87, 88. One of the 8s. Dropped off a Caprice. I'm gonna show y'all how to put a Digidash in here, man. I don't mind showing you, so I'm gonna show you. Let's get it. You know, sometimes I forget that I even got a YouTube channel. I went on and got started again. But I stopped myself. Alright, first thing first, remove the dash, man. Take all this apart. One bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt down here. Pull them out. They're gonna be 7mm. Pop the pins out. One pin at top, one pin down right here. You pop all them out, and then that piece there comes out. It's only 2 little smaller fillet head holding that in. And these right here is 6-inch bolts. So I'm gonna pull them out. I think they 6 or 6.5. I'll tell you exactly in 1 second. Well, I took it out with a 1/4, so I don't know what the hell that is, but hey, shit, it got it off. All right, so let me go ahead and get started so I can try to get done. Let's get it.
That money stack different when you stop helping ungrateful people through the bad times. I kept my faith in Jesus, made believers out of everyone that said I wouldn't achieve it. They won't believe it until they see it. Yeah. If they ain't giving you the same energy, cut the power off. Cut them off. You can be full-time with a person, they taking hours off. If they acting like they built off without you, make them stand on it. Make them build by I'm ignoring all cap, but it's up there, you put your hands on me. No cap. Looking in the rear view at my past, a lot of regrets there. It's a lot of I ain't trying to kick it with you, little homie, if it ain't a chick there. It's correct. I don't need friends, I got family, they gon' step for me. They gon' ride. The main ones say they proud of me, coming up, they slept on me. They was snoozing. I know my ex is somewhere, probably telling somebody that ain't shit. And whoever they telling, probably trying to shoot their shot airball, they can't hit.
Alright guys, this is the harness that you need to get ready to connect all your wires to. Just about every wire you need is right here. So, I mean, it's no need to run a whole bunch of wires on the dash like a lot of people do or nothing like that. So, I'm trying to make it so everyone can see here. Alright, now check it. These wires here, I know for a fact, these your sitting wires. You got one for the left and the right. I got to figure out which one. I did mine, but it took a minute. But like I said, it's no big deal. But every single thing, the only wire you have to worry about running is going to be for your tach, your temperature, and also your transmission mileage. That's the only wires that need to be ran. So you got 3 going to the transmission sensor. You got 2 going up to the oil pressure sensor, and then you got, well, actually you got to run the oil pressure, transmission, and your coolant and tach. So them are the 4 things. It's not 3, it's 4. I correct myself, 4. So those should be the only thing that you have to run wires to. Everything else is right here in front of you. I'm gonna try to talk you through it as I go, but myself, I'm still trying to make sure that some of these wires are right. So just give me a second. I'm gonna run through it real quick and double check these wires. And then I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and put the quick nets on there. And then we're gonna get the hots. And I can tell you right now, it's a black wire in here automatically. That's a ground. So that's gonna be our ground right there. A lot of stuff need a ground on here. So what I do, I link all the grounds together just about. Because it's just lights. So I link all the grounds together. I do not link the hots together. I run the hots separate. So we're gonna I'll show you exactly what I mean. Cause you got one for the accessory, then you got one for a 12-volt source that gonna automatically have 524/7. It's very simple, but let's go ahead and get it, y'all. Alright, got all the wires ran. This box comes with an instruction. Just about tell you what every sensor go. Very simple to read, very simple to understand. So let's go ahead and hop off into the wiring process. As you can see, all the wires just go straight backwards. Dash it in. Use your fat red mount bolts. I just used 2 down here. It slides to the original place. All of it. All right. Alright, you're gonna need some of these. Another thing, guys, before you even put this part on, right, before you even put the cover and everything on, it's a certain setting in here that your fuel pump need to be set at, a certain on load setting. So when you get ready to put before you get ready to actually completely bolt it down and lock it in, make sure you got your fuel pump settings correct, because if not, then it won't work at all. I'm telling you, I had to pull mine completely out because mine wouldn't read at all. So I'm just letting you know that. Back to it. All right, guys, my phone got a little low on me. As you can see, I got the dash powered on right now. Like I say, the blue wires, both of the blue wires right here, both of the blue wires are for left and right turn signal. All right, that's hot. Pinks are hot, but one of the pinks actually go to the fuel pump itself. So you have to actually figure out which one is that. My phone getting a little low, so I'm gonna have to do glance by glance video. That way I can just about walk y'all through all this wiring without y'all having a rough time or nothing like that. So first thing first, we'll figure out which pink wire go where. And the way we're gonna do that is, yeah, a little testing, more testing, yay. Well, don't worry, I'm gonna keep y'all posted step by step. All right, guys, let me help you. All right, like I said, blue wires go to there. Blue wires are your signals, both of the blues. Pink wire at top is for your fuel pump. Fuel pump at top. Pink wires in black are just hot. Don't know what the hell they go to, but they hot, constant. Well, hot as soon as you turn the key on. Black wires are ground. Both of the black wires are ground. The light green is for your dimmer. And I mean, self-explanatory, that's about it. So pink wires in the back, you can use them to actually power it, both of the pinks. And then the black is a ground. You can actually use that to ground it. The blue wires are your signals. One for the left signal, one for the right signal. Okay. Pink wire on the top, right here in the top part. It is for your fuel pump, and next to it is your fuel pump ground. And then you got also another ground over here. Okay, keep going, keep going. This gray wire here, it's actually ran to, let me get it correct now. The gray wires ran to your dimmer. That's your purple. That's your dimmer. The gray wire is your dimmer. Green wire is for your, let me get over here to it. I don't know if you can see it, the green wire back here. It ran to your brown wire, which is your high beam. So all of that is there. Okay, so I did find a tat wire. It's the purple and white wire right here. So what I did was I broke that connect there, and I broke it. I'm just gonna tap into it with one of my quick connects right here. And then I'll be done on here. Then move to the transmission. All right, guys, next day. I got the dash and everything back in. We started taking the headliner out. As you can see, dash and all that in. I'm gonna drop the diagram down so y'all can try to see what I was saying about how to wire this damn thing up. Y'all can see. Fuel, he got to get a new sending unit. His sending unit was bad. Everything else working on the specs, so there's nothing to worry about. I mean, very simple, very easy. Like I say, so if you need any help, man, just reach out to your boy. I got you.
She ride on my dick like a bandage. She suck on her dick like it's candy. Swallow the dick, make it vanish. I'm freaking that shit, but she classy. Niggas be talking that rah-rah. Chopper hit don't make him charge up. All of that talk, I'm not with it. Drinking my cup, man, I'm lit it. Glock in my belt, defending. I am still fucking on Britney. Dick a
her down, make her feel it. Rapper CD cover, I am a split. Brand new car, go start when I'm in it. If you wanna see me down, you gotta wait for a minute. Been focused on cash, ain't stunning on niggas. I get the swag from my dad, bitch, I'm flash. Young little hoe be watching me. Tell that little hoe, watch the wrist. Pandemic ain't stopping shit. Pull over and roll a split. Hit the blunt and take a drip. Codeine syrup to my lip. A couple of bands make her show out. A couple of drinks made her freak out. She ride on my dick like a bench. She suck on her dick like it's candy. Swallow the dick, make it vanish. I'm freaking this shit, but she cries.